wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best anti-snore chin straps. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7. Available in both standard and extra large sizes, the adjustable neoprene topaz brace is designed for use with CPAP therapy to treat obstructive sleep apnea and similar conditions. It's durable, hypoallergenic, and machine washable. It comes with slip-resistant Velcro closures and is good for users who toss and turn, but it tends to hold on to odors. At number 6, designed especially for use with respiratory therapy masks, the latex-free and adjustable resmed CPAP support features an extra soft cup that cradles the jaw to keep it right where it belongs, and Velcro straps to secure it around your head without causing skin irritation. This one's lightweight and unobtrusive and doesn't cover the ears. However, it can slip out of place. Coming in at number 5 on our list, the Primada Premium gently holds the jaw and a respiratory mask in place for the best sleep you can get with your face encased in breathing support equipment. It wraps around the head and is secured by 2 elastic bands for stability and comfort. It's made of a stretchy and breathable material and helps to prevent dry mouth, but it's not ideal in warm weather. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for anti-snore chin straps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, for sleepers who do a lot of moving and shaking in the land of Nod, the Waki Home Jaw Support Belt embraces the skull in a slip-resistant antimicrobial cap with Velcro fasteners to make sure it stays where it's put, keeping airways open and blissfully quiet. It offers a secure and adjustable fit and is compatible with CPAP masks. However, you have to hand wash it and hang it up to dry. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Serene Sleep Kit includes not only an adjustable chin strap made of a soft material, but also dilating nasal vents to help you breathe easily through your nose, and a contoured sleep mask to block unwanted light. It might give you the best sleep you've had in a while. It's great value for the price, and the breathable fabric won't retain odors. It's suitable for men and women. At number 2, the carefusion puresom comes in 2 sizes for a comfortable customized fit. It features an adjustable 2-strap design that wraps around the crown of your head to stop your mouth from falling open and guttural noises from reverberating within. It's equipped with an antibacterial lining and plenty of room for big ears. It can be used with or without a CPAP mask. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the logicwares Snore Stopper provides an adjustable fit for immediate relief of sleep disturbances caused by that infernal racket emanating from the sufferer's gaping mouth. It's also CPAP compatible for those whose condition is related to obstructive sleep apnea. It can prevent teeth grinding too and fits snugly and stays in place. It won't irritate the skin. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for anti-snore chin straps, or simply click beneath this video.